Yo dudes, what's up? This is Planet Keith, I'm Keith, and today I'm going to do yet another product review, because I like doing them. Actually, not really, it's because the product I'm reviewing just appeared in Aldi, and won't be there for long I don't think, because it seems to be a bargain. That product is this Workzone 3.6 Volt Lithium-Ion Screwdriver. So about 5 months ago I bought this lithium-ion cordless drill and screwdriver, and I thought at the time, well, when I reviewed it, I wouldn't mind having two of these, but if this works as the screwdriver, then I've got it, and this was half the price of that. In fact, £12.99, which is, you know, marketing speak for 13 quid. So, as I say, if it works, I'm sure it will. It's an absolute steal, it's a bargain. So let's open up the box and see what we get. And if you live in a country where they don't have Aldi stores everywhere, move. They're a German company headed for world domination, and they offer mostly food, groceries, booze and stuff at incredibly low prices, and also they have weekly special buys, of which this is one, and that works on the basis that they buy a load of stuff in, you know, just wheel the pallets onto the shop floor, you buy them, when they're gone, they're gone. Right, let's open the box. Take the money! Right, screwdriver, an assortment of bits, power supply, a little carry case that I'll never ever use, and that's not very well finished. Bin. Receipt, instructions and warranty. Oh god, look, they do a pink one. I should have got the pink one. Okay, I've just had a quick read through the instructions, which is, you know, as usual, 95% safety warnings, and the other 5% is actual information. So, one little screwdriver. So the screwdriver is made by a German company, Metal Meister GmbH. I can't find any reference anywhere to whether it's actually made in Germany or China, but it doesn't matter, it's solid and well-made thing. Design-wise, it's got the same excitingly chunky sci-fi contours as its cousin, the cordless drill. So controls, not many. We've got the trigger, we've got the direction selector, so forward, backward. We've got two LED work lights, and a bit that I'm really pleased with is the battery charge indicator is on the top, so you can see it as you're working with it. Unlike this beast where the charge indicator is on the side, where you can only see it if you're specifically looking for it. And I commented on that in my review of the drill, and I actually got criticised for making that criticism. But I do think if you're going to bother to design and make something, do it right. The instructions say that for any bit less than 50mm long, you should use this magnetic bit holder. There are a couple of long bits. That looks like a PZ2, and that's a flat wide one. So we've got a good selection of bits. My experience of the bits that came with this is that they're a bit rubbish. So we've actually got 3 PZ2s. PZ2s are the size that I use all the time. and I very rarely use anything else, so I'll grab one of those and we pop it in. And it goes round and round, so all good so far. And the charger, the battery's in the handle, so you don't remove it. So I plugged it in, and when I switch it on, you see the charge level indicator lights up. So if the battery was empty, it would be like on red or even on nothing. And yeah, that's pretty useful. I like it. So usually when I'm screwing bits of wood together, I have to start with a pilot hole. So I'll just drill some pilot holes in this plywood. And also sometimes I want to have a countersink, so I've just got a countersink bit in the screwdriver. Okay, it's a weird bit this, it gives hexagonal holes, I don't know quite why. And also I don't know exactly why they say that you should use the magnetic extension piece, because, well, that worked fine without it, and I'm pretty sure these will. Obviously it's useful if you need the extra length, but don't know. I'm going to try and fix the plywood to this bit of pine, and I haven't drilled any kind of pilot hole in the pine itself. Okay, well it was good until then. So I'm going to try it with the bit directly into the bit holder. Alright, so yeah, that's great. Plenty of torque. I've screwed it to the bench. Let's take these out now. And we'll try something a wee bit more challenging, bit of oak. I'm going to clamp this. Again, no pilot hole in the oak. Fantastic. I love it. That's great. Aldi Workzone Cordless Screwdriver, should you buy it? If you're an amateur, a hobbyist like me, that's a definite hell yeah, buy it. I mean, that is an absolute bargain. Obviously, for a professional, I don't know, and long-term use, I don't know. That's the first time I've used it, but I am very impressed. That is a very well-built, strong, powerful piece of kit. Anyway, yeah, if you see it, buy it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. This has been a bit delayed because I've been working on a fairly major project, which is this beast here, this cabinet. That should be the next video when I've finished editing it. So till then, ta-ra!